What's going on? It's your boy Mr. Sprayed On, and today, man, we have something in the mail. Check this out, man. We have an unboxing and initial impressions that we're going to do on Heavenly Place from the house of Andraus Parfums, and this is actually the first fragrance that they ever dropped. So I'm excited to try this out and see what it's hitting on. If you want to see what it's hitting on too, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. So it comes in a black box, or at least mine did. So I'm going to open this up, and okay, nice. It says enjoy. It has notes on here. We're going to read this off later, so I'm going to put that to the side. All right, that's the inside of the box. Put that over here. Comes wrapped up like this. A nice little sticker on it. Go ahead and take this paper off, and boom, Heavenly Place. So I'm going to get this plastic off the outside too. All right, y'all, so this is the box without the plastic on it. Love the details on this. Extract the parfum concentration, 50 milliliter size, and yeah, I got the ingredients down there. It's nice. So let's go ahead and get this box open. So it's a sleeve right here. Cool. It's the front of the box, and it opens up like a book almost, and then it sits right there on the inside. So go ahead and get this out. Nice bottle. I'm feeling it. I like the design on it, especially this almost stone looking cap. Pretty cool. Yeah, I've heard about this too. People say they don't like the how plasticky this feels, and I gotta agree with them there because it's kind of weightless almost. So I'm sure they'll improve as time goes on, but overall I'm impressed. So let's go ahead and give this a spray, and then I'm gonna read y'all the notes. All right, nice atomizer. All right, try and let it come to me. Okay. 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 Wow. So initially, very green. It gives green, spicy nature to the fragrance. Kind of citrusy too up top. It almost smells like, it's not a juicy citrus, it's almost like the zest of the citrus. So really only the peel. Okay. Spicy, citrusy, green. Okay, let's see what the notes are. Reading through the writing on here, in the top we have grapefruit, bergamot, mandarin, majoram. I know it's a herb or a spice. I'm not sure how to pronounce that though. Laurel, ginger, saffron, and marine tones. In the heart we have violet, geranium, clove, rose, and cardamom. And in the base we have cedarwood, amber, amyris, patchouli, and vanilla. All right, y'all. So as this fragrance starts to dry down, more of the sweetness is coming through. The citruses are still there, but they're not as in your face. Still green, still aromatic, but a cardamom just came way more front and center now. And I'm digging this. I like cardamom as a spice because it has that cooling nature to it versus like something like a spice like cumin. You know, cumin can be very warm to the nose, but cardamom, to my nose at least, is pretty cooling, but it still has that spiciness to it. But this isn't just like only the cool part of the cardamom. I get every part. So people have described this as culinary, and I can agree with that as well. It doesn't smell like the cardamom and La Nuit de l'Homme from YSL. That's not the same cardamom. This on another level. This is nice though. Like, this is a personal fragrance. I wouldn't consider this really, as of yet at least, like a mass appealing compliment beast. You know what I'm saying? Where it is, and it's a panty dropper. Like, I wouldn't classify this fragrance as that. Rather, it's a personal scent. It's an intimate scent. It's a scent with history behind it, and that's what I like about fragrances too, where you can tell a story through the fragrance, because the cardamom in here is to represent the rich history that it played in Guatemalan and Mayan culture. So it's pretty cool to see how they took the history and put it in scent form. So that's pretty cool. I'm digging this fragrance, man, and actually make this my scent for the night. Yeah. This is nice. I enjoy this thoroughly. I look forward to giving you all a full review sometime in the future as I wear it some more. And yeah, that's my take on Heavenly Place from Andraus Parfums. That's it. That's my unboxing and initial impressions of Andraus Parfums Heavenly Place. I really enjoy this fragrance so far. Loving this dry down more and more. This is a journey, and I appreciate that in fragrances. So if you're interested in it, go ahead, check it out. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the prices are about to go up if they haven't gone up already for the fragrance. So I'll leave a link in the bio to where you can purchase it. I'm not sponsored or affiliated in any way, but just so you can find it easier. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all support that you give to the channel, and you already know what time it is. I'm your boy, Mr. Spray It On, signing off. Peace.